Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing our January Boxycharm unboxing. So I do one of these every month and I try on all the products on my face. So if you're new, please hit subscribe and thumbs up so you can see all of them. But I have my January box right here. I did already cut the tape off and let's take a look. It looks like the theme is breaking the ice, which I actually think is like the perfect theme for January. January and February are like the worst months of winter, at least where I live in upstate New York. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to pull up the first thing that I see. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage, a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing luminous and healthy complexion, $28. Okay, I'm actually really excited for this because you know how we often get like Dr. Brandt exfoliators in Boxycharm? I love them so much. I have super dry skin. It just flakes off. And I self-tan a lot, so I need to make sure I'm exfoliating. So any exfoliator that I could get, I'm going to be happy about. It has a seal over it right now. It is micro exfoliating black truffle extract, apricot seed powder. Isn't that the thing that was like all... There was a whole lot of... controversy over, or was that walnuts? Sweet almond extract, squalene, and allantoin, which is a skin conditioner. So this is actually huge. It's 150 milliliters, which is 5 ounces, and that's a whole lot of product for $28 especially, so I'm actually very happy about this. This won't run out as quickly as my Dr. Brandt ones do in the shower, so I appreciate that. Oh, look, we have a Dr. Brandt product. Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. Perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. $55. So the total of the box is already $50, $60, $70, $80, upwards of $80, which is, I appreciate that. Dr. Brandt is such a good skincare brand, and I never had tried it before Boxycharm, and I love every single thing that I've gotten from them in my box. So I'm sure I will like the eye cream. I would put it on right now, but I do have makeup on. It says, using your ring finger, apply to the bone area of the eye from the outside corner of the eye inward. Use AM and PM. Okay. So, I mean, I don't know a whole lot about retinol. Is that supposed to, like, depuff? Ooh, it smells good. Okay. But I do love to put stuff under my eyes as well, because if you guys know, when you have dry skin, it affects you kind of here, like just everywhere. So eye cream, I'm always here for like skincare products, especially ones I can put on at night, so I don't have to really put a whole lot of thought into it, because you guys know I'm really terrible about keeping up with the skincare routine and stuff. The next thing that I see is the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask reveals more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I almost just had a heart attack when I saw the price. It was so shocking that I had no reaction. $107 for this tiny little tube. 1.69 ounces. It's actually a decent amount of product, but for the... $100. And you know, in the last Boxycharm, when I opened that eye cream and I got it stuck shut, I could never get that open again. That was like $50 and I can't get it open. So there's that. Love that for me. But wow, 8-Hour Radiance Renewal. That sounds exactly like something I would like. Thin layer to clean dry skin and just wear it overnight. Okay, $100 shea butter thing. I don't even want to take the seal off. I can't get the seal off. Oh my god, I can't get it off. I have to bite it. Okay. God, it didn't even come off. It didn't even come off. There's still... Look at it. It didn't even come off. There's a piece stuck on here, and now there's nothing for me to pull it off with. Okay, I'll have to get that later with like a little needle or a back of an earring. I just wanted to see what it smelled like. But I can't because it's still sealed. Anyways, I think that this is a fantastic addition because anybody can use this, and I really like that it's for overnight use. Like I said, I appreciate skincare you can do overnight because I'm busy from 5 a.m. I wake up for work all the way until nighttime, I don't have time to be like doing skincare during the day. So something I can wear at night, I'm really appreciative of, you know? So there's 2 more things. This one is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil by Gerard Cosmetics. Designed from Grande Lash Serum. It has a black formula, works while you wear it, creating thickness through the key ingredient castor oil. So I think it's supposed to be saying that it's also a mascara, but it's also conditioning your lashes at the same time to grow. This goes for $25. So our box is literally like at like $200 right now, which is like unreal. So I'm gonna crack the seal. We're gonna put it on. Oh, okay. I already love the wand. This looks super familiar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand, like fat, skinny, fat. And I really, really love this wand. And I'm not a huge fan of the Too Faced mascara anymore because it bleeds. So maybe this will be better. And I like that it has castor oil in it, because then at least when you put your mascara on in the morning, if you're like me, I love to feel like I'm doing 2 things at once. And if I get to feel like I'm also conditioning my lashes at the same time, that makes me happy. First impression, I can already tell this is not a clumpy mascara at all. I'm putting it on super quick and messy, and there are 0 clumps. None. Very natural looking mascara. I really like it. It's super black, super natural. Like, this is not the most dramatic mascara I've ever tried, but it just looks super nice. Sometimes a clean mascara with no clumps can outdo like a dramatic clumpy mascara, if you know what I mean. We don't always need clumps. And mascaras like this are always extra nice on the bottom lashes, because your bottom lashes, you want that clean, long look without clumps. I really like it. Like I said, it's super natural, but you could go in and curl your lashes with this, and I think they would look super nice. Feels good on the eye. Sometimes when I put a new mascara on, I can almost feel the chemicals near my eyelids, but I don't with this. So I'm actually a very big fan of this. It's also pretty big packaging. It doesn't say how many ounces, but it's larger than usual. So I'm actually really excited about that. The last product in here is the Too Faced Diamond Light Fire Highlighter. Diamond Fire, one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls. This goes for $36. So we're at like $250 about for the whole price of the box. And this sounds like something I would really like. Now, I'm a big fan of Too Faced, and I have a lot of Too Faced products, and I'm supposed to be on Too Faced PR, but I think they took me off. But anyways, my point is, I really love Too Faced, and I've never tried this before, so I'm excited to try it. Oh, how cute is the packaging. Oh, love that. So cute. So, oh my god, it's magnetic. It's like super luxurious packaging, like what diamonds earrings would come in. Ooh, it looks super nice on my finger. Super smooth, even just looking at it in the pan, it's very smooth. It is like finely milled. Finely milled, which I guess goes by like the whole diamond thing that they're going for. In the pan, it looks like a mix of gold and pink. On my skin, though, it looks almost like a white highlighter. In a good way, though. Like a very sheer white highlighter is kind of what I'm thinking it looks like on my skin. Let me know if you think it looks different. But I'm not seeing any of the pink or the gold. It's almost like they cancel each other out to give you that nice, like, neutral, or what I call white highlighter. Really gorgeous. Really pretty. And I think this is one that you can put all over your face, right? Pink diamond glow that will have you on Planet Shimmer. Light up your complexion by swirling it together with our marbling pouring technique, ensuring no 2 highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. So that means that all of these are just a little bit different, and they might look just a little bit different on the skin. I'm a huge fan of this. I think it's beautiful on the skin. It's giving me a super nice shine, but it's like that sweaty shine, which is what I like, rather than like the super glittery, I know you're wearing highlighter kind of thing. Sometimes I like that, like, just the overall dew is what I really tend to go for. So I'm actually really happy about this box. Normally I prefer to have more makeup, but I actually really like this because I really like the exfoliator, I really like the sleeping mask, and I like the eye treatment. And they're all nice and expensive, but we also got staples, a highlighter and a mascara that anybody could use. So I think this was a really good box, super high price of value compared to what we have to pay for it. So I think it's totally worth it this month. I think I'm impressed with the way they started off January. I know Boxycharm can be up and down sometimes, but in my opinion, I think this month was like a super good box. So I'm actually really happy. Yeah, before I forget, I'm wearing Gerard Cosmetics Hydro Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 90210 because I feel like people will probably ask because I really like it. It's really pretty. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're feeling about this box, if you've seen any other variations or anything like that. And let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future because I want to jumpstart again and start popping out some videos for you guys. I appreciate you guys more than anything in the whole world. If you could go and look at my last 2 videos and try to help get them to 1,000 views so we can start fresh, I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for everything that you do and for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the comments down below. Bye.